This is the one they're talking about. This is the airborne B-58 Buick. And this is what they're saying.
I like that styling. It's fresh, it's new, it's what I've been hoping for.
They're right. Starting with this new face of fashion Dynastar grille, everything you see announces unmistakably, this is a 1958 Buick. But fresh new styling is only one of the things they're talking about.
There's just one word for Buick's response: terrific.
They're right. Buick's new flight pitch Dynaflow can switch the pitch a million ways. And coupled with it, Buick's fabulous V12,000 engine. You should hear what they say about this.
It's performance. You don't know the meaning of the word till you drive the new Buick.
They're right. Here is the most modern engine it's possible to build for today's highway fuels. And what about that new Miracle Ride?
It's so smooth, you think the whole world's flat.
And the way that Buick handles, you have to feel it to believe it. This is the one they're talking about, and they're right, all of them. This is the one that looks and feels like flight on wheels. This is the airborne B-58 Buick.